Get him, Dre. Tell him, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Hey, hey. Happy birthday, young man. Good morning, YouTube. It's your girl, Veronica, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is all about my son, Ashton. Today's his birthday, and we're going to be celebrating. So today, we're going to take him to Foley, to this restaurant that he asked to go to called Lamberts. They throw rolls, all this stuff. I don't know if I've recorded it in another video. I think we've been there before and y'all have seen it. I don't know, but today you will see it if you haven't. And I just want to show you what I did for his birthday at the house. I just decorated just a tiny bit for his birthday. We're going to have a little birthday celebration tomorrow with friends and family. And I got tons of cups and plates, of course, for everybody. But I just set the table for him and his dad, and him and his friend. But, of course, there are going to be other people here. I'm going to start the popcorn machine. I'm going to make some dip. I'm going to have pizza and wings and cake. And I'm going to buy some ice cream. This is the cake that he requested. It is a homemade red velvet cake. So good, from my friend. I'm going to shout her out. Her name is Hazel. We love her to death. She always comes through when I can't bake, and hers tastes just as amazing. And yeah, that's the cake. It is so delicious. It looks good to me, but you know, it's not fancy like a cake place, but that's what he wanted. That's what he got. He got a few gifts from family and friends. And I just set up the banner. His aunt got him a beautiful balloon. She is the decorative lady. She's always going to show her love through balloons and flowers and bears. And she has him a gift as well. And that's their Easter baskets. Y'all also going to see that in another vlog. They're big kids now, so they don't get like full Easter baskets full of things. They get candy and money, and they've already gotten it. Already ate the candy. But we're going to a huge Easter egg hunt for a $500 hunt with other gifts also hidden out in this huge golf course. We'll be recording that. It's Saturday at 10. So yeah, this is a full weekend of events. Let me show y'all something new I got from my coffee station this morning. I have for me a frother. And I'm excited about it. So I'm about to make me a cup of joe just so I can use the frother. And yeah, it wasn't nothing. I just said I got that frother. But yeah, so when I start looking like something, I'll get back on camera. I'm about to have me a cup of coffee and chit chat with my husband. And yeah, we've already walked the dog. And so it's really not a lot going on. Smooth, good, happy, easy morning. Everybody feeling good. So yeah, that's what we doing, baby. Happy Friday. And oh yeah, I put on my press-ons last night, and that's why I'm just kind of like flickering my fingers. I think they're so freaking amazingly cute. And I did a good job. I took my time. I buffed them, wiped them down, did the whole correct steps, so they're not going anywhere. Yeah, this is them. I thought it was Easter weekend. I thought they would be really cute for Easter. The colors, the pastel pink. So yeah, that's that. So y'all will be with us all day today. I hope y'all are in the mood for a long ride. So yeah, I'm about to go put a pimple patch on. This bad boy is ready to blow. So let me go in there, wash my face, and put a pimple patch on so that I can get that bad boy disappeared before this afternoon. My face is peeling. I don't know what's going on with my face. It's like transitioning with spring. So yeah, let me go. Bye. I'm gonna put this wig on for y'all. I'm about to put it on my head. I'm gonna be looking in the mirror, so I may not be looking at y'all. This is what it looks like straight out the pack. Got a few curls. I'm in a rush. It's my son's birthday, but I wanted to show y'all. This is how the curls look. I just flat ironed my perimeter because I'm natural, so it's really curly, and I have extremely high C hair. And I put the wig cap on. I grease my scalp. The wig cap. I like to keep these. All right, so they got 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. This is how I like to put my wig on, so don't mind me. I like to throw it on like a cap, and I'm gonna hold it to the side a little bit. I'm gonna put the comb in the back. I only like to use 1 of these combs in the front. I couldn't find my grip band, or I would have put that on as well. But my grip band stops my wig from moving at all. Alright, put it on like so. I look like somebody's grandma. No, I'm just playing. And I just kind of get it comfortable. I keep finding these. They were holding the curls together. And it looks like this. I'm sorry, again, I'm moving fast. I'm trying to get ready to go because it's my son's birthday. Again, I won't be looking at y'all. I'm going to be looking straight ahead. So I'm just trying to show you how to style this simple. This is synthetic. You can heat it up to... you can heat it up to 400 degrees. Right there. You can heat it up to 400 degrees. And like I said, when I did the reviews on all my favorite wigs, my favorite synthetic wigs, I buy this wig over and over and over and over and over again. I think I'm the one who keeping this wig around because I buy it so much. All right, then you're just gonna brush it however you want it. I'm trying to see how I want it because once you put it into place, it's kind of like, it ain't that's what it is, but that's kind of like the play of the day for it. I think I'm gonna go with it like over this way to like right here. So this is what I'm playing with right here. I'm gonna smooth my hair, and I'm just gonna comb this into the hair, just like so. Even my edges coming in, just like so. Now you really can wear it like this. You don't have to do anything else to it, but I don't like it like that. I don't feel like it's completely done. See? And I have gray hair, and this is where I'm growing my edges back at, so I be wanting that covered. So I bought a new fiber edge control that I want to try today, so I'm going to try it. Comes like this. Ooh, it's black, so I don't want to get this on me. Let's see if I can comb it out of there. How'd they put that on there? I don't know. It looks like that in the inside. I'm just gonna get a little bit with my finger. And I'm gonna put it over here where it's kind of no edges. Ooh, it's so black. I don't know about this, y'all. Then I'll go in with my original edge control, which I use this. Or whatever edge control you like. And I just like to smooth it. That's not bad. You just gotta play with it. A little goes a long way. So tell me y'all right now, don't use a lot of this. Don't do like I just did. All right, smooth it down. All right. All right, that side smooth, so I just gotta do the same thing on the other side. But I'm not gonna use that fiber edge control. I'm just gonna use my edge control. I'm just gonna start smoothing up. I'm using 2 different mirrors. And y'all get where I'm going with this. Smooth it, smooth it, smooth it, smooth it. And I have to do my edges because they outrageous. I get my sideburns from my mama. And just like that, smooth it all good. Same thing with these edges. It took me longer to get dressed today because I had to arch my eyebrows. They haven't been arched in ages, and they looked hideous. So I had to arch those. All right, and then it'll look like something like this. Then I like to take my old-fashioned grandmama comb. All the grandmamas got these. This is my favorite comb. Don't judge. And I like to comb it straight back, as if I was wearing it in a pony. And then I like to play with it like this with my fingers. And voila, here's my hair. It's done. I'm finished. Sometimes I put a little hairspray on it and sometimes I don't. I'm not, because I just took it out the pack, but as it gets older, I will start putting hairspray on it. So this is the front. This is how the front looks. How the front looks. You can run your fingers through it. This is some good stuff, y'all. This is all to the back. To the side. And to the other side. And that's the hairstyle. That's the hair. That's all that's left out is what you see. Sometimes I like to go over it if my flat irons are still hot and kind of hold down my natural hair. I had flat ironed it, but when you put any type of product on my hair, it just curls back up. I'm 100% natural. I have no perm. So that's what it looks like close up. As you can see the texture of my hair. So I'm just trying to, it's still a little hot from where I flat ironed it from the first time. It's not 400 degrees, but yeah. All right, that's it. That's all I do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the review rather than the video. I'll just put this in on one of my videos. And that's it. All right, you guys have a good day. We're about to go have a good time. And y'all are coming along with us, so stay tuned. We're here. We made it to Foley. And we're at Lamberts. We're waiting to get a chair so we can go in and eat. They didn't say how long the wait is, but we know we gotta wait. So we're here though. I'm sitting out here and it's beautiful. The sun's shining really bright. They all over there on their phones getting a phone break. So yeah, when I get inside, I'll show you what it looks like in there. And yeah, show y'all what it looks like and show y'all what I order. The birthday boy is right here.
I just can't wait to eat.
Got butter, apple butter on your roll. It's really good. Golden ticket to this place. And you get passed around. They bring, you get a picture of joint, a picture. You can buy these pictures here for $10. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but $10. You can buy one and take it home. Everybody gets those. They serve your drink in. But what I was saying about the pass around, they bring potatoes, fried okra that are so good, black eyed peas, so just different sides they bring around when your food comes. So yeah, this place is really, really worth the trip. So if you're in the Foley area or traveling to the beach, make this one of your destinations to eat. You'll love it here. But I'm gonna get off here because the music's playing loud. So I'll see y'all when I get my food. Where your hands, Ashley?
Now he's over here now taking down the room.
Stand up, stand up.
10 today. Let's give him a huge round of applause.
Stand up, boo-boo. This is our food. They got chicken wings. All of them got chicken. I got chicken patty, macaroni. Mashed potatoes, carrots, and turnips. Brett.
Drink this. This was the best dinner that I ever tasted. What?
That's good. Glad you like it. Come on, what you feel?
Good out here. I like the under part. That's pretty cool. He just having fun. Boy! Oh, Andre, you think you a pro? You was not a pro. Oh, okay. You might have something better than me.
Not me. Yeah, well.
Boy.
Let's have some fun. Yeah, let's just have some fun.
Oh, stop.
Let's just have some fun.
Stop.
Let's have some
Stop.
fun.
Stop.
Let's just have some
Oh,
fun.
stop. Oh, he going so fast.
How much you going outside? How much you going with that thing, huh? Alright.
Boy. Full Hey Dude store.
I was not another one.
Girls is right there. Kids is on the wall.
We're at the Tanger Outlet. It is an outside mall. Everything's outside, as you can see. Everything. They got socks, wives, you name it. They got it. And this is just, they got Ralph Lauren on the other side, Zelle, Claire's, Lane Bryant's, Columbia. The Nike outlet is way over there. That is some cute stores. If I go in a store that's not in the regular, I will record. If not, I'm just gonna enjoy the moment with my kids. So yeah.
What is that? Is that candy?
Look at the socks, Andre. Andre, look at the socks. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you and many more.
Horse is gonna be.
No, let's get beat up here.
Good job, Ashton. Read it,
It's just this.
Miss Hazel.
Oh, so I put a little boogie in it. Happy birthday. Love you, Miss Hazel. That's nice of Miss Hazel.
Uh-oh. That boy got that bling bling.
Girls all players too.
It's a cross. You like it?
Oh, you just iced out for your birthday, ain't you?
Show it to Daddy.
How many Rosses do you have?
Is that